Buddha was born 2500 years back, but even today his philosophy is very much there. He went beyond nationality, he went beyond religions, he went beyond gender. So he saw human being as one. I have been talking about this serial for some time with various people, and Subhash Chandra ji, who is the chairman of Zee TV, and we had a lot of discussions. And I think we have the same passion to tell this subject, and that's why Spice and Zee TV got together. We have tried to compress the story of Buddha, which is his life of 82 years, in a 52 1-hour episodes.
Dr. P.K. Modi, who is a renowned businessman, it was very interesting to know the creative side of him. In a real sense of a true producer, he was involved in every stage with art director, with the director, with the creative director and the story writer.
ये सीरियल को मुझे टिपिकल जो हमारे यहाँ हिंदुस्तान में जिस तरह से सीरियल बनते हैं उस तरह से ट्रीट नहीं करना था. ट्रीट करना था मोर ऑन अ लेवल ऑफ अ फिल्म.
Dr. Modi had already decided to kind of make it into a television show, and once that was decided, then it was a humongous task of bringing the whole entire team together. And trust me when I tell you this, the vision of the show was not to make another television show. It was to create an epic.
You know, this serial has been made on the basis of a research which we have been doing for more than 30 years. And we have tried to make the serial as authentic as possible.
जैसे जैसे हम इसमें इन्वॉल्व होते गए और सारी चीज़ें हमें पता चलती कि हमने उसको पॉइंट डाउन करके एक चीज़ें हमारी तैयार करने लगे हम.
मुझे काफ़ी वक्त लगा उसमें रिसर्च करने में. टिबेटन किताबें, कुछ ट्रांसलेशंस की हुई किताबें वो पढ़ी.
People have actually invested their time, they've invested their efforts, they've invested their passion.
चैलेंजिंग पार्ट जो है वो था सेट्स को लेके. इतना बड़ा एपिक बनाना मतलब आपको एक पूरा वर्ल्ड क्रिएट करना है.
The studio that we built for the show, it's one of the largest in film city here in India. And the level of detailing that Varsha and her team has gone into has been absolutely amazing.
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज मेरे लिए वो था कि टू गेट द कॉस्ट्यूम्स, द ज्वेलरी राइट, एंड हिस्टोरिकली भी गलत ना हो वो.
Besides the set and everything, we are trying to push the envelope of Indian television. So we've chosen red as our camera format. It creates very cinema-like quality. Very, very important aspect of this show is the post-production. The two aspects, VFX and color correction, DI. So we are following the processes as would normally happen in a film.
जहाँ बुद्धा का जन्म हुआ था, लुम्बिनी वन, जो राजा सुद्धबोधन जहाँ रहते थे, कपिलवस्तु, असित मुनि का जो रहने की जगह थी हिमालय पे, तो वो सारे एरिया जो क्रिएट करने पड़े, तो उसके लिए हमें पहले स्केचेस, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट आर्ट क्रिएट करने पड़े. इंटीरियर शॉट्स हैं जिसे हम क्रोमा के अगेंस्ट शूट करते हैं. जैसे हमें कपिलवस्तु का अगर पैलेस का शूट है तो पीछे पूरा कपिलवस्तु सिटी हमें क्रिएट करना है. तो हमें वो सब क्रिएट करने के लिए वहाँ के जो घर हैं उनको बनाना है. उसके पीछे एक माउंटेन्स का लेयर है. इन सभी को लेयर बाय लेयर प्लेस करके उस विंडो को एकदम रियलिस्टिकली ब्लेंड करना पड़ता है कि वो पैलेस का एक्सटीरियर पार्ट है.
ओवरऑल अगर म्यूज़िक की बात करें तो बुद्धा शो के अंदर हमने वर्ल्ड म्यूज़िक अचीव करने की कोशिश की है। डिफरेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स होंगे और हार्मनीज़ जो वेस्टर्न हार्मनीज़ होती हैं उनको हम कोशिश करेंगे कि उसके अंदर ब्लेंड करें। साउंड जो उस विजुअल को, जो बुद्धा को, उनके मैसेज को कन्वे करता है, वो हमने साउंड्स कोशिश की है इसमें ब्लेंड करने की।
ये कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री नहीं है, इट इज़ अ वेरी इंस्पिरेशनल सीरियल जो एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ आपको एक मैसेज भी देगा।
We are very thankful to ZTV, especially with their presence in 169 countries in around the world, which is much larger and huge than any film presents.
We are hoping the global audience is able to see finally a show that comes out of our country, comes out of India, which will match up in terms of quality and which will match up in terms of storytelling.
Serial is basically for the young generation because they are today looking for a way how to live their lives. They are confused by what they hear in the mythology and what the Indian religion and other things, and also making you realize that you have to focus on yourself, and it's your self-confidence is what you are, is what you can use that in your life to make yourself happy and make other people happy.